Greetings everybody, coming to you from Grand Rapids, Michigan at a hydronic summit. I'm looking around, a lot going on, a lot of OEMs here, which got me thinking about the first piece that comes out of your appliance. Is it a direct connection to a Centrotherm pipe, or do you need an adapter? Well, it depends on the manufacturer. And the best place to figure out what is needed is to go to our homepage, go to the OEM Matrix, look up the make and model of your appliance, and then move on from there. So make sure you do that until you get accustomed to what pieces fit, and let us know if we can help you. Let's check out the inside of this unit here. Let's check out the inside of this unit here. It's a nice Centrotherm in there. It's a nice Centrotherm in there.